Hello friends, welcome back to Pink's Kitchen. Today let's check out how to make bitter gourd juice. This is a very healthy drink and an immunity booster. Make it a practice to drink a cup of this healthy bitter gourd juice weekly once for best results. This bitter gourd helps in weight loss and improves your digestion. It is very good for your eyesight, reduces stress and eliminates bacteria. Very easy to make with a very few ingredients. So let's quickly check out the ingredients and get started. Before starting, let's go and pick one fresh bitter gourd from our garden. Clean wash it and keep it ready. Cut off both the ends. Cut it into quarters and remove the seeds and you can discard them. Now cut the flesh into small cubes. Transfer the bitter gourd pieces to a mixer jar. To this add 1 tablespoon of lemon juice. Grind this well. Now to this add 1 cup of water and grind well again. Filter and transfer the bitter gourd juice to a mug. Then to this add 1/8 teaspoon of salt and 1/8 teaspoon of cumin powder. Mix it well. Now our healthy bitter gourd juice is ready. You can enjoy this right away. You can drink this weekly once in empty stomach in the morning for best results. Very easy, healthy and an immunity boosting drink. So do try this bitter gourd juice recipe at your home and write back to me your feedback. I'll meet you all with another interesting recipe. Until then, bye friends. How to make red guava juice. This is a very healthy drink and an immunity booster. Make it a practice to drink a cup of this healthy red guava juice in the morning for best results. This helps in weight loss and improves your digestion. Very easy to make with a very few ingredients. So let's quickly check out the ingredients and get started. Today I have 4 red guavas. Choose nice and fresh ones for best taste and results. Clean wash it and keep it ready. Cut off both the ends. Cut it into small cubes and keep it ready. Now transfer the red guava cubes to a mixer jar. To this add 2 tablespoons of sugar, 1/4 teaspoon of salt and 1/4 teaspoon of chaat masala. Then to this add a tablespoon of water. Grind this to a fine paste. Now strain and add the red guava paste to a small bowl like this. We are trying to eliminate the seeds. Now we are ready with a smooth and thick red guava paste. I will juice a jar like this. Transfer the red guava paste to it. To this add 2 cups of water and mix well. Now our delicious red guava juice is ready. Serve it right away and enjoy with your family and friends. Very easy to make and a very healthy drink. So do try this red guava juice recipe at your home and write back to me your feedback. I'll meet you all with another interesting recipe. Until then, bye friends. Hope you like this video, so please do like, share, comment and subscribe to Pink's Kitchen channel and click on the bell icon for latest updates. If you wish to check out our recipes in Tamil, you can visit Pink's Kitchen Tamil channel. I'll be giving the channel link in the description box. Happy cooking and thanks for watching this video. I'll meet you all with another interesting recipe. Until then, bye friends.